Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add temperature to your Instagram story. So first you need to open up your Instagram and then click on your story on the top, and from here you need to choose your image or video that you want to use for the story. I will choose this laptop bag, and now if you want to add a temperature, for that you need to click on the emoji icon on the top bar, and here when you scroll down you will see a temperature emoji. If you don't see that, then you need to search for temperature and you will see the sticker for temperature. You need to click on it, and here you can see that your temperature has been added. Now if you want to change the appearance of that, for example, if you want the temperature in degrees Celsius, click on the temperature, again click on it, and here you can see temperature in degrees Celsius. You can choose other appearances as well, and you can position it according to your requirements. So once you are done, you need to click on your story and your story will be posted with temperature on it. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.